U.S. stocks closed higher on Wednesday, buoyed by inflation data that eased investor concerns and bolstered expectation of Federal Reserve rate cut next month. The Dow and the S&P 500 climbed about 0.5% and the Nasdaq edged up slightly. More details in this report.
U.S. stocks closed higher Wednesday as the latest inflation data reassured investors, betting the Federal Reserve would start cutting U.S. interest rates next month. The Dow gained 0.6%, the S&P 500 climbed about 0.4 to finish up for the fifth session in a row, and the Nasdaq rose a hair. The Labor Department reported U.S. consumer prices rose moderately in July, and the annual increase in inflation slowed to below 3% for the first time since early 2021. SimCorp Managing Director of Investment Decision Research Melissa Brown says it shows the economy is not too hot and not too cold.
I think the CPI report that everybody's been focused on, and so they're trading based on that, I think it came in not too hot, so it wasn't high enough to kind of regenerate concerns that the economy is not slowing down. And it wasn't low enough, I think, to generate a concern that, wow, maybe we really are in a recession.
The odds of a 25 basis point interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve rose to 65%, while the other 35% still see a larger 50 basis point reduction, according to CME's FedWatch tool. Stocks on the move included Google parent Alphabet, which lost 2.3% after a media report said that the U.S. Department of Justice is considering options that include breaking up the online search giant. The report comes a week after a judge ruled the tech company illegally monopolized the online search market. Kellogg's spin-off company Kellanova added nearly 7.8%. after privately held Mars agreed to buy the Pringles maker for $36 billion. And Charles Schwab added about 4.6% after the broker posted solid account growth in July.